What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we are going to be talking about the importance of your fish finder's screen size. So stick around. This video is a part of a much larger series of videos. I have them all in the Fishing Fundamentals playlist. If you click the little eye right up here, once you're done with this video, you can watch that entire playlist. So there'll be about 30 videos in that playlist. I'll be posting them daily, so you want to smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So this topic kind of gets me a little fired up because of the cost of your screen size. Now we'll get more into that, but it does get me a little fired up, so excuse me if I seem a little emotionally distraught. So let's first look at the cost of your screen. Now I have three different screen sizes we're going to be comparing. They're all Humminbird helixes, all with the GPS, the Mega SI Plus, and none of them come with transducers. Let's talk about the cost of each one. The first one is the Helix 9, which has a 9-inch diagonal screen. This one comes in at, I believe, let me look here, $13.50. Well, if you want another inch, well, you're gonna have to fork out another $500. The next one is the Helix 10, and it is $18.50. Now, the third one I have on here is the Helix 12. Once again, this is a little cheaper per inch, but it's their next size up, and it's gonna cost you another $500. So we've gone up 3 inches, and it's gonna cost us $1,500. Now, what's so different about all of these? Well, there's really not much difference in the head units at all other than the screen size. That's the frustrating part. You may get maybe another safe button or maybe another card slot, but you're really not getting that significant of a difference for $1,500. So if you really want to look at the overall cost and you want to normalize it a little bit, so you take the cost and you divide it by, say, the inches that you get diagonally, the results are going to surprise you. Or maybe not, I don't know. They kind of surprised me. For the 9-inch, if you take the $13.50 and divide it by 9, so it's how many dollars it is per inch. The cost is $150. Well, you bump it up 1 inch, it's $185. And then you bump that up 2 inches and it's $195. So you may think that your best deal is to get the Helix 9. Well, when we get to the details part, it may not be. That $195 per inch, it might be worth it. So once again, I'm going to reiterate, really the technology in each head unit is exactly the same. You may have a small feature difference, such as another save button or another memory card slot. But other than that, these things are identical and you have to pay out a forkload of money. Let's get to the detailed part about why a larger screen is actually better. And the manufacturers know it because they jack the price up on it. Not only when you have a larger screen can you put multiple things on it and still see them pretty good. When you have one display of, just say, down imaging, the detail on a larger screen is much better. You can see the different pixels that may represent a fish, where those pixels may be lost on a smaller screen and may mix in with to what may be a branch or a laydown or stuck in some grass. So the larger the screen, those details can be blown up a little better and you won't miss that fish. Just to simplify things just a little bit, would you rather watch a movie on your big 65-inch screen, or would you rather watch that movie on your phone? Just not the audio, just the video part. Would you rather watch it on your phone or on a big TV? Smash that thumbs up button If you would rather watch a movie on your big screen TV rather than your phone, you feel like when you're watching it on your phone, you're missing certain details, especially if you're watching something like a real action movie that's got lots of movement. You may miss a little detail where you would catch it on the big screen. So I will tell you from experience that I have missed fish because of this, because I have scanned over trees and not seen hardly any fish. And then I just decide, well, I haven't seen too many fish on any of these trees, so this is one of the more promising ones. And I fish that tree and I catch a lot of crappie out of it. Now this is not surprising because those fish were so tied to that tree that the transducer and the fish finder could not differentiate, or at least represent that to me, even though the technology was there to tell the difference. So a larger screen is always going to benefit you in that manner, that you're going to be able to see those certain details and find those fish. So always buy the largest screen you can afford. The smaller screens will not always be able to depict the details that you need to catch those fish on that day. Let me know in the comments below if I help you decide whether or not you just needed to save money to buy a little bit larger screen or not. Let me know. If I left something important out about screen size that you know, please share it, comment below, and I'll pin it to the top. But like always, until next time, get out there and go catch you some fish.